Welcome to Meditate with Lily. I'm Lily Holden, and today's meditation was made to help rein in your thoughts and bring your attention to your breath, your body, and ultimately the present moment. I've designed this meditation as a more structured task to be a bit more engaging. We will be doing a body scan meditation. Body scan meditations can be helpful for adults with ADHD, specifically because they help you to focus on one area at a time, which helps to break up a meditation into smaller, more manageable segments. Whether you're sitting or lying down, allow yourself to find a comfortable position. If you feel restless at all during this meditation, remember that it's perfectly okay to adjust your position at any time. I always like to start my meditations with a few deep starting breaths to help relax the body and settle into the session. So go ahead and take a big deep breath in through the nose, and now exhale slowly and consistently until your lungs are fully empty. And as you're getting to the very end of that exhale, allow any immediate tensions to begin to melt away. We're going to take a few more slow, deep breaths in, fully filling your lungs and fully emptying them. You may start to notice some different sensations in your body as you start to bring in all of this new oxygen. With another deep breath in, feel your body becoming a bit more relaxed. And as you exhale, gently close your eyes if you haven't already. If you feel your mind starting to wander at all during this meditation, that's okay. Let's practice gently guiding our attention back to the task at hand. Now we will begin the body scan. Bring your attention to the very top of your head. Notice any sensations here, maybe a sense of pressure, lightness, or maybe nothing at all. There's no right or wrong to feel. Just observe. Gradually, let your awareness drift down to your forehead. Observe if there's any tension. If so, imagine it dissolving away with each breath that you take. Now shift your focus to your eyes. The eyes work hard all day, darting around, reading and blinking. Allow them to rest now. Feel them soften and relax. Start to move your attention to your jaw. This is a place where stress can easily accumulate. Gently open your mouth slightly, letting the muscles of your jaw loosen and relax. Bring your awareness to your neck and shoulders. Lift your shoulders towards your ears on an inhale, and on an exhale, let them drop fully. Feel the weight being released from your shoulders. Notice any sensations as you bring your attention from your shoulders down to your arms, then down to your forearms, and eventually to your hands. Let them be soft and at ease. Next, center your attention on your chest and your breathing. Feel your chest rise and fall with each breath. And with every exhale, try to release just a little bit more tension. Imagine your breath reaching down to your stomach, calming and relaxing you. If you're holding any tightness here, let it soften. Bring your focus to your back. Notice the points of contact with the couch, the floor, or the bed. With each exhale, feel any tension in the muscles of your back melting away. Gently shift your awareness to your legs, from your thighs down to your knees, your calves, and all the way to your feet. Allow them to relax completely. Feel your legs heavy and supported by the ground beneath you. Now take a moment to sense your body as a whole. Notice any areas of warmth, tension, or relaxation. As we come to the end of this meditation, take one last deep breath in and exhale slowly. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing some movement back into your body. And when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. If you made it to the end of this meditation, I am so happy to welcome you to the present moment. And thank you for taking this time for yourself today. Remember that this moment of peace is always available to you. It is always accessible, and it is right here within you. Once again, I'm Lily Holden, and this is Meditate with Lily.